Okay, let's start by opening up a blank Google Sheets document. I've already named it Sales Tracker. And then we'll go ahead and start adding our columns across the top. There you go. Date, customer, category, the revenue, the cost, the profit, and any notes you want to add. Now you can add everything in just one line going across. If you wanted to, you can make it a little easier to read by just go ahead and putting the dollar signs here. That's only if you really want to, though. So actually, and then everything will be entered here, but right here we'll put profit as a formula, which is just basically revenue minus cost. And if you drag that all the way down, that'll just continue to calculate for you. This gives you the row by row sales. Now to go ahead and give you a summary, we can build a little summary out here. We'll have total revenue, total, and then I put to this to show you that you're subtracting it, total cost, and then this is the equation, total profit. And then the revenue is just going to be the sum of these rows. The total cost is going to be the sum of these rows. And profit is just... Now to show you how it works, we'll go ahead and add a few pieces of information. 152026. And this will be client A in the sales category. And it was $55. It cost us $35. Here on 1/8, we had another sale. This was client B, excuse me. He did a service product. That was about $150. It cost us about $85. So there's our profit. And then on the last one, we'll do 1102026. A couple days later, client C. He did subscription. About $1,000, $250. So now you can see over here, this kind of already calculated, just lets you just see everything. It's a nice clean way to go. You can just continue to add as you go. If I can type. So there you go. And then if you remember from a previous video, with the service category, sales, service, and subscription, we can then make this file feed into the cash flow file. So that's it. It's very simple. It links together quite nicely, and we'll talk soon.